about to get in trouble. You wanna with me right now? I don't. I wanna go home. I've been here 2 years.
Oh, well, get on the ground.
Come on, your pride.
What happens when an arrest produces 4 criminal charges, and one of which may not survive its first legal challenge? This analysis examines the law that governed every decision made here.
What's up? Bro, do not let this guy.
What's your name? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What's your name?
Oh, so you're gonna take it inside.
Yeah, bro. That's just not gonna let anybody touch me. I don't let anybody touch me.
All right, soldier. I don't want no trouble. Look,
You're about to get it. You're about to get it.
I've been about to get trouble. You wanna with me right now? I didn't do anything wrong. This guy with me. So we're gonna fight. That's what you want. Is that what you want? I don't. I want to go home. I've been here 2 years.
Well, get on the ground.
Yeah. Are you? I don't.
You're gonna get.
I'm a normal.
Put your hand behind your back now.
Nope. I told you.
Hand behind your back now.
Nope.
Bravo 20 on 51.
What's going on here?
Put your hand
I
behind
didn't
your
do
back
anything wrong. I've been here for 10 years.
Put your hand behind your back.
Nope.
And let go of my leg.
I can't because your elbows
Put
on.
this arm behind your back now.
How about you lean forward and I can take my arm off my
This arm
back?
behind your back.
How about lean forward so I?
This arm behind your back.
How about I do this?
Put your hand behind your back.
You're 110 through the air.
Have you lost your mind? You're gonna get another one, dude.
Racist white people. That's
You're
what
gonna get
you are.
another one.
You racist white people. I didn't do it wrong. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. You.
Hand behind your back. Now.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're gonna get another
I
one.
didn't do nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your
I
back.
didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong.
All right, let's roll. Wait, let's roll him over. Let's roll him over. Hang on, let's roll him over. Let's roll him over a little bit. I got blood. All right,
I didn't do anything wrong. Every one of you is a victim. You murderer! You murderer!
we got shackles.
My car. Citizens. And you guys still this up. I grew up watching the system.
I'll go grab that wheelchair.
Yep.
You can't do that.
You got it?
I grew up that way.
Watch out, he's lady heavily on the front of him. Over here.
What, are you guys trying to pretend you are okay with me? Is that what you're doing?
Relax, sir. Just calm down. It's over now, all right?
Is it?
It's definitely over, okay?
Yeah, you guys me up, it's over.
Definitely over. Just calm
But
down.
I'm an American citizen. How does that make you feel? What?
Step back. Step back. All right, we're going to turn you to your side. You understand? If you act up, though, we're going to have to put you back
Back on
down.
your side.
Bro,
Yeah.
you guys,
I think someone already is. Lieutenant.
no shit.
On the count of 3, I'm going to lift you up on your butt. You understand? Sit on your butt.
Ow!
There you go. Keep your head down like this. Thank you. Okay. On the count of three, we're going to stand you up and sit you down. If you resist, if you fight, we will put you back down. You understand? Okay, count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
Sit down.
I see you guys every day, and I'm on your side.
Watch the blood. Watch the blood, bud. Let's move. Out.
You mother working with you every day, and you guys me up.
Hey, go. Stop fucking around, buddy.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop feet up. Wait. I'm gonna stay feet up now. Pick them up.
Pick him up.
I will tell you all.
Pick him up now, man. Pick him up now. Let's just go. The floor is out on the ground. Any more?
I'm done. Let me go. It doesn't matter every one of you is a shut off, okay? Yeah! Look at how I'm bleeding! Look how I'm bleeding! I can't breathe. Just take a breath.
Stop fighting and won't resist, okay?
Oh, what did I do? I see how you are.
Relax. Breathe.
You great.
I got it. He's good. He ain't going anywhere. He ain't.
I'll have more.
The more you resist, sir, the more you're going to hurt yourself. Just relax. Stop.
You killed me. You're trying to kill me.
No one's trying to kill you. Just trying to stop you from hurting yourself and others.
Whoa.
Relax. Hey, relax.
You're
Relax, man. Just relax. Take it easy, alright? Just take it easy. Just take it easy.
fine.
Just relax.
Let me go.
Alright, just gotta relax.
Okay.
Just be calm and we'll be calm. Okay, I appreciate that.
Sorry, I don't know what. My name is Alfonso. I'm fine.
What's your last name, Alfonso?
I'm looking for my wife.
That's it. I'll help you. Okay, but you gotta calm down and we'll get you in the car and we'll talk. Okay, Alfonso?
What did I do
I'll
wrong?
explain everything in a minute to you.
Why is the blood? What's going on with mine? What the? Wait. Is this U.S.?
No.
Is this U.S. citizens? I don't even know what.
A report of unlawful entry into a restricted area triggered this encounter. The legal consequences that followed raised questions that go far beyond what was visible on camera. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1,968. A specific articulable suspicion based on observable facts is sufficient legal basis to initiate an investigative detention. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386. On a 1,989. Force must be judged by three factors: the severity of the crime, the immediacy of threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Critically, under Graham v. Connor, each individual use of force must be independently justified at the moment it is applied. Prior justification does not authorize subsequent force applications. In Florida Statute Section 843.1, resisting officer with violence. Knowingly opposing an officer in the lawful execution of duty through violent means constitutes a third-degree felony. Florida statute section 784.s even. A battery on law enforcement officer. The intentional strike against an officer in lawful performance of duty elevates the offense from misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. Florida statute section 856.11. Disorderly intoxication. Requires proof of intoxication in a public place to a degree that endangers the safety of others or creates a public disturbance. In Florida statute section 810 burglary. This charge requires proof of criminal intent at the moment of entry. Without that intent, the act may constitute trespass, not felony burglary. This single distinction determines whether the most serious charge stands. Estelle v. Estelle, Gamble, 429 U.S., 97, 976. Once a person's in custody. A deliberate indifference to serious medical needs constitutes a violation of rights under the 14th Amendment. Positional asphyxia is a documented and preventable cause of in-custody death. A restrained subject who reports inability to breathe triggers an immediate constitutional duty to reposition and summon medical care, not a verbal command to relax. The City of Canton v. Harris, 489 U.S., 378. Note that 1,989 combined with 42 U.S.C. Section 1,983. Department that fails to train officers on medical response protocols may face federal civil liability when that failure causes a constitutional harm. The key lesson: the line between misdemeanor trespass and felony burglary is not a matter of location but of intent. A charge that cannot establish mens rea at the moment of entry is unlikely to survive a motion to dismiss. Key lesson: constitutional duty of care is activated by observable signs of distress, not by a formal medical diagnosis. Visible bleeding and repeated statements of inability to breathe are not behavioral problems to manage. They are medical events to address. 4 charges were filed, and one may not survive legal scrutiny. The subject stated he was searching for his wife. Officers stated they were preventing him from harming himself. Both statements exist within the same piece of footage. Did the force applied at each moment independently meet the Graham standard? Was a medical response initiated before the recording ended? Can a burglary charge hold when criminal intent was never established? These are the questions a court in this audience will have to answer.